Let's make some pepper shrimp together. As always, I'm going to keep my recipes extremely simple and easy to follow along. So let's make it together. As usual, I wash all my meat off camera. So to my already clean shrimp, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of all the following seasonings. For seasonings, I'll be using garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, and annatto for coloring. I'm going to mix all those seasonings into my shrimp and I'm going to set those to the side to let that marinate for about 10 minutes. Once that 10 minutes has passed, we're ready to start cooking our shrimp. So to my heated pot, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and I'm going to allow that to melt down. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to go ahead and add in my Scotch bonnet pepper. I used 2 because I tasted the pepper and it wasn't too spicy, so I decided to use 2, but if you are someone that does not like spice, you can limit the amount of Scotch bonnet that you use. But I'm going to saute my Scotch bonnet in the butter for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour in my shrimp. Once I've added my shrimp, I'm just going to move them around just to ensure that they're all able to touch the bottom of the pot. Then I'm going to let those cook in the butter for about 2 minutes. That 2 minutes has passed, I'm going to go ahead and flip my shrimp over, cover my pot, and allow that to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. If you need more butter, you can definitely add it. I felt like this was enough, so I just flipped my shrimp over, cover my pot, and let that cook for the remaining 3 to 5 minutes. Once that remaining 5 minutes is up, we're going to go ahead and just give that pot a quick stir, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat because the last thing you want is your shrimp to be rubbery. So I'm going to cook it for a maximum 7 to 8 minutes, remove it from the pot, and I'm going to let that simmer down. At this point, your shrimp is ready to be served. I really do hope you enjoy this recipe. It was really simple. I love cooking seafood because of the time it takes to prepare. But until next time, bye.